Why can't I upload photos on Facebook?
Welcome to this video on why you may be experiencing issues uploading photos on Facebook. In this video, we'll discuss common reasons for the problem and some potential solutions. Let's dive in.
Is Facebook currently experiencing technical issues?
Sometimes, the problem may not be on your end but rather with Facebook itself. Check if there are any known issues or outages affecting Facebook services by looking for announcements on their official channels, or by searching for reports on social media or news websites.
Are you using the correct file format?
Facebook supports a variety of image file formats, but not all. Make sure your image is in one of the following formats: JPEG, PNG, GIF, BMP, TIFF. If your image is in a different format, consider converting it using an image editing tool before attempting to upload it again.
Is your photo file too large?
Facebook has a maximum file size limit for photos. If your image file is larger than the allowed limit, it may not upload successfully. You can try resizing or compressing the image using an image editing tool to meet the requirements.
Are you experiencing internet connectivity issues?
A slow or unstable internet connection might be preventing you from uploading photos to Facebook. Check your internet connection by visiting other websites or running a speed test. If you identify connectivity issues, reset your modem, router, or contact your internet service provider, ISP, for assistance.
Have you tried clearing your browser's cache?
Sometimes, your browser's cache can cause issues with uploading photos. Clearing the cache can help resolve the problem. To do this, follow the instructions specific to your browser, which can usually be found in the browser settings.
Have you tried using a different browser or device?
If you're still having trouble uploading photos, it might be worth trying a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. This can help you identify if the problem is specific to your current browser or device. In summary, there are several possible reasons why you can't upload photos on Facebook. By troubleshooting with the steps provided in this video, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue. Happy uploading!